Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to log in on Wix.com. So guys, once you reach to the Wix.com website, and here you will see this type of window on your screen. Just look at the top right corner on the screen. Here you will see login button. Simply you have to click on login. Once you click on login button, then here you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you can log in by two ways. One is with your email address and second is with Google. If you want to go with your email address, then here you have to write your email address and then you have to continue with your email. If you want to go with your Google account, then you have to click on continue with Google. And now I am going to click on continue with Google because this is the very easiest way to log in anywhere. I've clicked on this button, and here you will see this type of pop-up on your screen. Here you have to confirm your email address. If this is correct, then you have to confirm, and if it is not, then you have to change your email address. And this is my email address, and now I'm going to continue with it, and I've clicked on yes, confirm. As you can see guys, in just few seconds my account has been logged in on Wix.com. So guys, this is how to log in on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.